hello, what is up, what's going on? Welcome to this video, everyone who is here today. I want to help you to actually lose weight naturally in a really healthy manner. Guys, you see, being overweight is something that is very serious. Being overweight is something that is not healthy, right? So today there's actually like so many ways that we can be losing weight. There's just so many supplements out there as well, but we got to get our hands on the right supplement in order to really obtain weight loss, in order to really be healthy, right? You can't just use any old supplement, guys. And today I'm actually here to talk to you about one that has been helping people to lose weight, and it's going to also level up your mitochondrial function. It's called Mitolyn, and Mitolyn uses maki berry as its main ingredient, which is this fruit that is rich in antioxidants, and it helps you to target your mitochondria, which is this tiny enzyme in your bodies that plays this huge role with weight loss. So if you have absolutely no idea what your mitochondria is, stay in this video, watch it until the end. That I can tell you that by the end of this video, you're definitely going to want to give Mitolyn a shot, okay? So before we move on, the link you find in the description box of this video is actually Mitolyn's official webpage. If you want to purchase it and start using it, go directly there to make a safe purchase and also get your hands on some great prices. But okay, what is your mitochondria, right? What is this function that is so important in our bodies? And it's actually quite simple, guys. Our mitochondria is this tiny enzyme in our cells that help our cells to, burn down fats that are stored in our bodies, and also fuel up our bodies with energy levels so that we have energy to get by the day. In other words, what that means is that if your mitochondria function is actually low, you are just storing up fats in your bodies, and you are not having energy to get by the day, right? So Mitolyn is here, and it has maki berry, it has rhodiola rosea, it has amla, astaxanthin, theobroma cacao, chisandra, and these 6 ingredients all help you to increase your mitochondria function, and it doesn't stop just there, okay? There's a lot more to it. But let me just tell you that the minute you are helping your mitochondria function to function better, you are actually experiencing weight loss, okay? Now, other benefits that you get with Mitolyn are fantastic, because this is a supplement that can promote you with a healthier heart, more vitality, making sure that your skin is healthy, that your overall wellness is healthy, that your digestive system is responding, that your blood pressure is okay, your cholesterol levels. So there's lots of great things it brings for you. And all it takes is for you to be taking 1 capsule of it each and every day. It's really simple. It's a treatment that's really short. You can take it for 3 months or 6 months. And there's also a 90-day money-back guarantee that comes along with it. So all you got to do is just decide right now if you want to start losing weight for real, and if you want to be healthy, okay? The link to their official webpage is below this video, so pop over there right now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.